Fully automatic upsliding pneumatic 4-station heat press machine electric push version. First, turn on the power switch. Waiting for power on. When turned on, the workbench automatically resets to the default position number 1. Click on Enter the System. Click on Parameter Settings to enter the parameter page. Set the required pressing time and temperature values, and then click on Auto Screen. Click the 0 output button to reset the output value to 0. Click on I/O to enter the I/O page. There is no need to adjust this page. Click Back. The Boot Page button is used to enter the boot page. Click the Heat Off button, and the button will turn red with heat on, indicating that the heating plate is starting to heat up. Click the Heat On button, and the button will change to the original color of Heat Off, indicating that the heating plate has stopped heating up. When the current temperature reaches the set temperature, the mode can be selected to start working. Click on Fully Automatic and the button will turn green to Semi-Automatic, indicating that you have entered the semi-automatic mode. Press one of the start buttons on both sides of the machine, and the machine will perform once hot stamping operation. Click on Semi-Automatic, the button will change to the original color Fully Automatic, representing entering the fully automatic mode. Press one of the start buttons on both sides of the machine, and the machine will perform many times hot stamping operations. Click Stop. The button will turn green, and the heating plate will stop working after completing an ongoing hot stamping process. The Stop Completion button will return to its original color. After the current temperature reaches the set temperature, lay the fabric and transfer film on the workbench, select the desired mode, press the Start button, and start the hot stamping work. You can open the heat transfer film to check the hot stamping effect. Hot stamping effect. The pattern is clear and beautiful, and the phenomenon of hot stamping leaving white space and ghosting is rejected. There is a red emergency stop button on the right side of the machine. Press down to stop the machine from running. The LCD screen will also display emergency stop pressed. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to restore normal operation of the machine. The prompts on the LCD screen also disappear.